Hey guys, we are going to talk about finding the volume of different types of prisms. So remember, a prism has the same shape at two bases, and then it's solid all the way through. So if these are my two bases, and honestly for a rectangle, it doesn't even matter which two bases you pick, but it's solid all the way through, okay? So this tells you length times width times height. I'd like for you to think about it as the area of the base times the height. Because as our bases change shapes, it's just easier to think about it that way, and it's the same no matter what the shape is. So here, if I find the area of the base, so if I call this my base, I'm going to do 9 times 17 to find the area of my base, which is going to be 153. And then I'm going to multiply that by my height. So I'm going to do 24 times 153. And that is going to give me 3,672. And then you want to pay attention to your units. And when you do volume, if you remember, volume is 3D. So the units are going to be cubed. Okay? So that's all you're going to do for these. So you can pick whichever base you want. Say I pick the side as my base. Okay, so this is my base. So my base is going to be 14 times 4.5. There's a point there. And that's going to give me 63. And then I'm going to do 63 times 10 because I'm going to call this my height. So if these are my two bases, okay, my height is the distance between my two bases. So 63 times 10 is 630. My units are inches, and we're going to cube those. So here, if I call this my base, I'm going to do 8 times 12, which is 96. And then, so these are my two bases. So the height is the distance between them. So then I'm going to do 96 times 39. And that's going to give me 3,744. And my units are feet cubed. Okay? And that's all we're going to do for these. Now, for when you don't have a rectangular base, right? We know rectangles are length times width. Remember that triangles are the base of the triangle times the height, and times 1/2 or divided by 2. So here, if this is going to be my base, and this is going to be my base, so I need to find the area of this triangle first. So I'm going to do 1/2 9 times 12, which is going to give me 54. And then the distance between my two triangles is 16. So I'm going to do 54 times 16. And that is going to give me 864 meters cubed. My units are meters. Okay? So I'm going to do the same thing here. So this time it's kind of turned on its side. So here's the triangle. And then the back here is the other triangle. Oops. So those are my bases. Okay, so I need to find the area of my base, and of course I just covered it up so now I can't see. So my base is going to be 1/2 5.4 times 11. So 5.4 times 11 is going to be 29.7. And then the distance between my two bases is 16. So I'm going to take that 29.7 times 16. And I'm going to get 475.2. And my units were millimeters. And we're going to cube that. And that is all you do for those. So let me know if you have any questions.